This land is your land, this land is my land, from California to the New York Island, from the redwood forest to the Gulf Stream waters. This land was made for you and me. As I went walking that ribbon of highway, I saw above me that endless skyway, and saw below me the golden valley. I said this land was made for you and me. I roamed and rambled and followed my footsteps to the sparkling sands of a diamond desert, and all around me a voice was sounding. This land was made for you and me. Was I wall there that tried to stop me? A sign was painted, said private property, but on the back side it didn't say nothing. This land was made for you and me. When the sun comes shining, then I was strolling in wheat fields waving and dust clouds rolling. The voice was chanting as the fog was lifting. This land was made for you and me. One bright sunny morning in the shadow of the steeple by the relief office, I saw my people. As they stood there hungry, I stood there wondering if this land was made for you and me.